Cognitive knowledge.
There is also lots of other high-level cognitive knowledge bound into our composite conscious experience, such as the knowledge of which set of pixels make up the strawberry and which set of pixels are the leaves. Most of this high-level cognitive information, like names and planning, is performed in the forebrain. We have planning information about how, if we eat the strawberry of that color, how juicy it will be. We anticipate how sweet and satisfying this juicy strawberry will be and make plans of what is required to eat it. There are a huge number of sets of similar cognitive information that could be bound into our awareness with the elemental intrinsic color qualities of each pixel. Some people think of composite qualia in a non-composite way. They think of all this as if it was all some kind of atomic thing. Some people also think of qualia as everything but the colored pixels of knowledge. They think of the colors and the flashing pixel as intrinsic qualities of the strawberry out there. Nobody ever stops to think about how it would be impossible to engineer such a computationally bound situational awareness with knowledge of the intrinsic redness and greenness qualities of the strawberry out there without some kind of magic computational binding. The difference between conscious and subconscious knowledge is the computational binding. As we pointed out in the hiding unnecessary complexity section, it is a very complex process to convert two 2D images into the model that is our 3D knowledge. This is all done subconsciously. Of course, everything causally upstream from this process is also not computationally bound. And without computational binding, we can't be directly aware of any of those many different intrinsic properties. There can't be any binding to something outside the brain other than magic because no such computational binding exists. Just like our subconscious, the actual physical state of the strawberry isn't computationally bound into conscious awareness. The strawberry and everything out there is all part of subconsciousness since there is nothing that can do the required computational binding. Descartes knew that everything causally upstream from the eye was all subconscious. This is why he knew we could be a brain and a vat since everything we're aware of is in the brain. He knew that if you stimulated the optic nerve identical to the way the retina did when looking at a strawberry, the conscious experience would be the same even if there was no strawberry and no light out there.
We could use your support. There's a petition topic on canonizing titled What Are Color Qualities? There is a link to the Demonstrate Subjective Qualities consensus camp in the description below. It would help if you would sign that consensus camp.